12 times 2 third minus 2 fourth z plus 3 half z squared. Imo-multiply natin to isa-isa. 12 times 2 third, unahin natin to 12 at saka 2 third. 12, lagyan natin ng denominator na 1, tapos multiply sa 2 third. 12 times 2 equals 24. 1 times 3 equals 3. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Kaya equals 8. Lagay natin dito 8. Next, erase muna natin. 12 times 2 fourth, 12 over 1 times 2 fourth. 12 times 2 equals 24 pa din. 1 times 4 equals 4. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Ayan. Equals 6. At dahil negative tong isa, may negative dito sa 2 fourth. Negative siya. Kaya negative din itong 6. Magiging negative 6. Nagiging negative siya dahil itong 12 ay positive. At positive times negative equals negative. Times, hindi, may nakalimutan ako. Ilalagay pa pala natin itong z. May kasama palang z. Itong 2 fourth. Kaya 6 z. Lakihan lang natin. Sorry, nagkakamali lang. 6 ano ba to? 6 z. Ayan. Tapos 12 times 3 halves, 12 over 1 times 3 over 2 equals 12 times 3 equals 36. At 1 times 2 equals 2. Kaya 36 over 2. 36 divided by 2 equals 18. Lagay natin dito. Pareho silang positive. Itong 12 at saka itong 3 half z squared. Kaya positive 18. Positive 18. At dugtong lang natin itong z squared. Walang variables itong 12. Kaya dito lang siya sa z squared. Ayan yung final answer niya. 8 minus 6z plus 18z squared. 2 third times 12 minus 6e plus 24e squared. 2 third times 12. Isa-isahin ulit natin. 2 third times 12 over 1 equals 2 times 12 equals 24 over 3 times 1 equals 3. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Kaya unang term ay 8. Positive 8 dahil puro sila positive. Next. 2 third times negative 6a. 2 third times 6 over 1 equals 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 1 equals 3. Kaya 12 over 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Equals 4. 4. Magiging negative siya dahil positive itong 2/3 at negative itong 6a. At negative times positive equals negative. Kaya negative 4. 2/3 times 24a squared. Hindi, nakalimutan ko ulit itong a, may a pa pala. Lagay natin itong a. Dumiretso ako eh. 2/3 times 24a equals 2/3 times 24. Ano ba to? Sandali. 24 over 1 equals 2 times 24 equals 48. 3 times 1 equals 3. 48 divided by 3 equals 16. Sandali, ayusin lang natin. 48 equals divide 3 equal 1 3 1 16 nga. Iris lang natin. Equals, dahil pareho silang positive, kaya positive 16. Positive 16. At ilagay lang natin itong a squared dahil walang kasamang variable itong 2/3 na nasa labas. A squared. Hirap pakisamahan itong bang sulat ko. Kaya 8 minus 4a plus 16a squared.